let's try a roller set on my natural hair for nostalgic purposes. Leg up.
You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha Taylore. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Eisha Taylore. We're gonna do a roller set because I want to try it. I don't know why. I just want to try a roller set. If you know, you know. Back in the day, a Dominican roller set for like $15, $25. Well, this is when back in my day. Every Wednesday they had a special, and I would get that done. My hair was bomb. This is before I knew about being natural, relaxed, what have you. Let's talk about what I have on my hair right now. And I have, if I can get out the box, the Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Mask treatment. I have this on my hair right now because with a roller set or flat ironing or whatever, what's important is hydration, because then your hair won't try to revert back to try to get moisture from the air. So I put that on my hair. Next, I'm going to clarify my hair with the Kenra clarifying shampoo. If y'all watched my silk press video, which I will link in the cards, and also put a direct link in the description bar, because someone said that. She's like, girl, you always mention the videos, but where the links at? Click them somewhere, or after you finish watching the video, the links will be in the description bar. I got you. So I'm going to shampoo my hair with this. This is my favorite clarifying shampoo. Then I'm going to continue the moisturizing routine. So I'm going to do the Amika Hydrolux Intense Shampoo. I still have this one. And I got another kit for Amika during the Sephora sale. So I'm going to do the Intense Moisture Conditioner as well. Again, moisture is key. Now this is one thing that's good. It's a little fuzzy. Okay, I have the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I've had this for some time and I haven't been able to try it yet. So I want to try this and see how I like it. If I don't like it, I do have my oldie but goodie, the GOAT, the Intense Moisture Hydro Rush Amika. I said that all backwards. Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask. I have this as well. Also, elephant in the room, I got a haircut. That will be discussed in a whole different video. Alright, shampooed my hair. Now I'm about to try the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Off rip, this is a lot thicker, and I figured it would be because of the container. Okay, my hair is receiving this very well. You know what both of them says too? This one says leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. This one says leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. We be deep conditioning for too long. Let me know in the comments below the minimum amount of time y'all deep condition. Like, there's no white on my hair. My hair is like drinking this stuff. Quick thoughts, they're totally different. This one is exactly what it says. The Amika Intense one, it's more intense, a lot more hydrating. If your hair is more dry, dull, coarse, low porosity, I recommend this one. This one, I like it, but it's not as hydrating. It's good. I probably won't purchase the big one of this. It's not bad. I was looking up videos for what to use for this roller set. They used to use like spray setting lotions, but I only have the Nairobi Rapid Shine foaming lotion on hand, and they say to use this by itself, but I don't feel like this is a heat protectant. So I'm gonna lean again towards moisture, so I'm gonna use some of the Amika Hydro Rush Intense Leave-In Conditioner, just a little bit on my hair, and then I'm gonna follow that up with the Amika The Wizard Silicone Free Detangling Primer, just to detangle, but this also has a heat protectant. Now this is the first time that I'm using the Wizard. I've been hearing a lot about it. I do plan on doing a traditional silk press video. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Now for rollers, I have rollers like these, right? I've always had these since I was relaxed, actually. Based off of TikTok, I got these rollers, which I don't think I'm gonna use. I think they're called Velcro rollers. I feel like they're gonna pull my hair, so I'm gonna use the traditional rollers. I don't have those sticks, y'all know what I'm talking about, to put the rollers in. So I have a couple of clips and then bobby pins, okay? The size of your parts has to be the size of the roller. So I'm gonna use some of the Nairobi. Now one thing I remember is you gotta have your hair super taut.
Either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in deep.
Well, that actually went on really easy. Has a bit of a stickiness to it, and I was debating whether or not to use mousse because I felt like it wasn't gonna give me what I think I needed. I was just gonna use a Mazzari leave-in conditioner, which is a heat protectant. I was gonna use that because I felt like that just has a milkier texture, which would give me what I think I needed. But after seeing a couple of videos, it was saying do mousse, but I think I kind of regret that now. Time to take this one out. I'm actually nervous for this one. Ooh, child. Ooh. This one actually didn't come out too bad, but it actually hurt to come out. So this is what my hair looks like. My hair is dry, actually. Ain't nobody about to sit here and just wrap this and think it's flat. Nope, it's not going to be. The roots are still rooting. This is not it. But my hair is dry though. So we're gonna put a little bit of the Amika Blockade Heat Defense Serum. Everyone keeps talking about this. And I think it's the Amika The Shield Anti-Humidity Spray. Most of them use this, I think. I've never used these products. And this is a heat protectant. Both of these are heat protectants. I'm gonna do one pump. Hit this bad boy a little bit. Also new. I think I'm doing too much. We're trying new things right now. So this is the Revlon roller brush blow dryer. Never used this, but everyone on TikTok says it's really good. So I figured we'll just hit the roots a little bit and not bring it all the way down, because as we can see, the roots look terrible. So let's try this together.
Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we can go on.
This blow dry is amazing. Wow. Honestly, my hair feels more hydrated than if I was to just blow dry first. But now that heat protectant is already on my hair from the beginning, thank God I did that. I'm gonna go ahead and do one pass. I have a new tension brush that I got from Amazon. I'll link everything down below in the description bar for y'all. But I'm gonna use this as a chase method and see if I like it, because I usually use a board bristle brush.
It's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather.
Wasn't my plan, but it doesn't look bad at all. I think I'm gonna wrap it, shocking, and then put rollers in tonight.
I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean.
Let's wrap up this video, shall we? I will show a short showing how I revert my hair from the silk press. I just don't want this video too long, so make sure you subscribe. Wow. Make sure you subscribe so you will see that. I would not do a roller set again. I think it's a waste of time on my hair. I'm not saying on natural hair, I'm not gonna make that super broad. You can literally do whatever your heart desires, but for me, I'm not gonna waste my time doing it. So I'd rather just go ahead and blow dry my hair. Just make sure my hair is really protected from the beginning and call it a day. I'm not relaxed anymore. It worked then. It's not working for me now. I don't consider this a full-blown silk press, to be honest with you. I think I want to run this back with using Amika products for a silk press. From beginning to end, doing blow dry and everything, because I feel like that has a possibility to be bomb. Stay tuned for that, because I think I'm gonna run that back. But for now, this is giving this is giving first lady. It was a fail for a roller set. However, catch me in the next one. Make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for when I do revert this hair to make sure I didn't get no heat damage, okay? I'm in that I don't care era, but we're hoping we don't have heat damage. So please stay tuned for that shorts. I will show it to you guys, I promise. Also stay tuned for when I do a full wash day using Amika products for a bomb silk press, I'm hoping. TikTok peoples be having some really good silk presses. I have some some thoughts on how to really make a soap press good. So stay tuned for 2 of those videos, okay? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.